Hello, my name is Whitney, and this video is going to explain how to solve using the quadratic equation. The example we're going to be looking at is 2x squared plus 10x plus x, and we're going to be using the quadratic equation, which is negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. So for this equation, it follows the form ax squared plus bx plus c. And we'll see that a is equal to 2, b is equal to 10, c is equal to 8. When we go in and fill in the quadratic equation, we're going to have negative 10 plus or minus the square root. So again, we're just filling in these numbers. 10 squared minus 4 times 2 times 8, all over 2a, which will be 2 times 2. So now what we want to do is go through and calculate what these values are so we can figure out what x1 and x2 should be. Minus 10 plus or minus the square root of 100 minus 4 times 2 is 8. 8 times 8 is 64, all over 4. This will be equal again, minus 10 plus or minus the square root. 100 minus 64 will give us 36, all over 4. So let's come over here and finish that. This is going to be equal to minus 10 plus or minus 6 divided by 4. And we realize that we need to do two separate operations to the top to get our two different values. So minus 10 plus 6 should be minus 4. And we're going to write divided by 4. And then minus 10 minus 6 will be the other value. So that's minus 16 over 4, which is equal to minus 4. And we can reduce this to minus 1. So we've just found our two solutions to this trinomial using the quadratic equation. Thanks for watching.